Hey guys, all right, it's been a big day. I filmed all day today in the kitchen. It was awesome. First video back. Now it's time to film Jack on the Go. We're at Firehouse Subs, and they've got this thing called, this is what it looks like. It's a triple smoked stack, or a triple smoked stack, or something like that. But anyway, so we ordered one. I ordered a medium so I can show you what it looked like, and we're gonna see if it really looks like the picture. And we all know they never do. Hey, I don't know if you guys realize, but they have a gluten-free roll. That's important to some people. So I thought, and they have Senior Tuesdays.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the one, the triple stack, smoked triple stack. I'm not sure why it's called smoked triple stack. I will hopefully look it up and put it on the screen why it's called smoked triple stack. Okay, that's what it looks like on the inside. Loads of stuff in there. Oh wait, lift that button a second. What the frick? Why is that burned? This has a lot of meat. Guys, it has a lot of meat. So I'm gonna give this a try. It looks like there's bacon on here. Yeah, I'm making a mess. Here we go. Okay, so a lot of thoughts going through my head. First of all, the sandwich tasted like kind of an artificial smoke, didn't it?
Yeah, it's okay.
It didn't taste like the meat was smoked, but you could taste the smoky flavor. So I'm not sure if it was artificially smoked or what, but I kept looking at the meat and none of it looked smoked. So I'm not sure exactly what kind of smoked meat they used. We had bacon, ham, and turkey, I think. The bread was a little burnt. They just turned away 1 second too long and paninied it too long, but the bread was burnt. And then the meat was amazing, lots of meat. But do I feel like they were smoked, like officially really smoked? No. But I may be wrong. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but that tastes artificial. So anyway, guys, I give it like a B-, because the sandwich was made great, but the smoky flavor seemed like it was fake. So anyways, I love you guys. Try it out. It is good. It is worth the money. What was it? Like $9 for a medium? Loaded
1009, sorry, 1009.
1009?
Mm-hmm.
1009 for a medium. Loaded with meat, loaded with onions and lettuce, and I got it fully involved, so have at it, pile the toppings on. Take care. Bye-bye.